Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up YiOBYiOR 300 Mbps U8 wireless Wi-Fi repeater range extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, insert the repeater into a power outlet near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait approximately 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. The repeater must finish booting before you begin the pairing process. Find the WPS button on your wireless router. The WPS button is usually labeled WPS or marked with 2 circular arrows. Press the WPS button on your router. The router's WPS indicator will begin blinking. You usually have 2 minutes to connect the extender. Within the 2-minute pairing window, locate the WPS button on the repeater. Press it once, about 1 second. Release the button. The repeater immediately begins searching for the router. Its wireless LED may blink while it negotiates the connection. The repeater now exchanges encrypted wireless information with your router automatically. This process normally takes 30 seconds to 2 minutes. During this time, do not unplug either device. Do not press any buttons. Keep the repeater close to the router. When the connection succeeds, the wireless indicator becomes solid. Signal LEDs may illuminate. The repeater has successfully copied your Wi-Fi settings. After setup, the repeater creates a new Wi-Fi network. Example: main Wi-Fi network is home Wi-Fi or extended Wi-Fi network is home Wi-Fi_XT. These networks are broadcast by the repeater. After the setup is complete, move the repeater to improve coverage. Unplug the repeater from the socket. Place it between the router and the area where Wi-Fi is weak. Now the setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.